Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to share the latest PowerShell module that I have published to PowerShell Gallery. Right, this is my PowerShell ID. You can find more modules from me. Okay, so total I have contributed 15 modules and this many downloads. And this is my 15th module. So I've released this today itself. Right. So what this module does, in Windows and Linux, you will have something called tree command. Tree command basically will list the it will display the tree structure of your directories or folders. Right. So let me show you the native command and what are its advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so if you see. This requires a PowerShell version of 7.5.4, right? So you must have PowerShell version 7.5.4 installed on your machine, or whether it is Windows or Linux, right? It will not work on native Windows PowerShell console. It requires 7.5.4, not even 7.5. It requires 7.5.4. So if you have PowerShell installed, the latest version of PowerShell installed, make sure the version is 7.5.4. Now, on your Linux, if you already have PowerShell, upgrade it to 7.5.4. All right. So if you see, before I show the demo, okay, let me launch the PowerShell, another instance of PowerShell. If you see, as soon as I launched, it says 7.5.4, right? So in Linux also, let me do the same so that you will get the idea. So I'm running Ubuntu on my WSL. Okay, so let me get into Posh, and this is 7.5.4. So on Windows, it is 7.5.4, and Linux, it is 7.5.4. Okay, so before I start the demo, let me show the native command, right? The native command is tree. If I use this native command, so it basically give the pictorial view or tree view of your folder structure, right? So, but this is not highlighting the files, right? To solve this, I created this module. So it not only highlight your folder structure, but it also show you the file with their sizes, right? So let me start the demo, okay? Or let me do side by side so that you get the idea. Let me open another instance of PowerShell. Okay, I'm already installed. How to install? Make sure you have 7.5.4 and just simply copy paste this, right? Simply copy paste this and paste in your PowerShell console and just complete the installation. So once that is installed, you will have this command available to you, right? The IntelliSense is suggesting me that. So this is the command Get-FoderTreeView and folder path is the path where you are trying to get the tree view, right? In our case, ctemp, right? So let's run this. Okay, so it finished fast because the ctemp is small. If it is very large, it will run for some time, right? So this is very small, so that's why it finished fast. So you are seeing, if you see the native, right, you are only seeing the folder and subfolder structure. But here in my module, not only you are seeing folder subfolder structure, you are also seeing files, right? And files along with their sizes, and the files in marked in blue are hidden files, right? So if they are not hidden, they are shown in green color and along with their sizes, right? And each folder or directory, how many files are there inside them, and you are getting files inside them as well, right? You are able to see all the files inside that. Let's compare this, right? You can see it has similar structure, right? So if you see, if you compare the native tree command, obviously the native tree command is fast, right? If I run against C Windows, which is a big directory, it will complete in faster because not much information we are providing, right? We are just enumerating the folder structure, right? Here I'm also enumerating the files, right? So obviously, if you run against a large folder, it will take some time. For example, let me run against C Windows System 32, which is fairly large, but at the same time not so large, right? So for that, it will show some animation here. So what is this doing? And once it completes the analysis, it will show the output. Obvious, you will not see everything from the start because you have the limitation of your console, right? So that's why it will be better if you run against not deeply nested and a large folder, right? Then only it will make sense. For example, you have folder structure like this, and you want to see how many folders and files and each files and their sizes. Instead of running some third-party tool, you can install this module and get the work done, right? Let me go to Linux also, and we'll do same, right? I'm already initiated my PowerShell on Linux, right? This is Ubuntu, right? This is my Ubuntu Linux. Let me show you that. Okay, this is a Linux desktop, and let me. And already I'm on PowerShell 7.5.4, right? And I've already installed the module. So basically, I'm going to show you the preview of my source code, right? So this is what it is going to show you, right? So in Linux also, you are getting same experience, right? You're seeing same. You're getting how many files are there, and folders or directories are properly marked with their icon, and files are also properly marked with their icon. The hidden files are shown in blue, and others are shown in green, and also you're able to see the file sizes, right? So it works as expected on both Windows and as well as Linux, right? So along with this, I have to make this work, I have used Spectre.console, which is an excellent library to spice up your console. So you can go to that site and learn how to use that. And also, I'm using Humanizer package. This is an excellent package where you can humanize the output in human readable format. When I say human readable format, say you have data coming out in bytes, right? You can humanize that so that it will automatically convert for humans to view. Like how am I converting to bytes? If you see the output, you will be seeing the file outputs in the KBs and MBs and bytes, right? So that is taken care by Humanizer, right? Apart from this, it has many other features. It can do humanize any data, right? Whatever data you want to feed it to. So that's an excellent package. So I have made use of those package. So you can go to their project site and learn more from that. Okay. So all right, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So please download it if you want it, if you like it, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please do leave your comments. Thanks for watching.